We've been very fortunate at Ophthalmology Limited to find really excellent physicians, and our growth in each subspecialty area has been extraordinary. However, we still try to retain some of the roots that we started with. We have a big presence in the surrounding communities, bringing our expert surgical care to the local hospitals at various outreach sites around South Dakota, Minnesota, and Iowa.
We've had tremendous growth in our satellite clinic structures. Most of us will satellite to at least one different location throughout the tri-state area. We bring our subspecialty care to our satellite locations as well, so we can take care of patients closer to home.
Satellite clinics is something that was unheard of when I joined this practice 28 years ago. I had a couple of optometrists who wanted me to come and do a satellite clinic, and so I went to the small town about 60, 70 miles from here, and we'd bring the patients back here for surgery and then see them the next day up there in the clinic, but they still have to travel here for surgery. So I came up with an idea, maybe let's go to these small hospitals and do the surgery in these small towns. It turned out to be just a huge thing, and we went from 1 or 2 satellites to now our office has 13 to 14 satellites, I believe, all throughout the upper Midwest area surrounding Sioux Falls. They can get most of their care done locally, which is better for them and better for their families. So that's really something we're proud of, what we've started here at Ophthalmology Limited, and the rest of the country has kind of emulated that, and now almost every office has satellite clinics, but when we started it, we were the first.
In my opinion, the philosophy of Ophthalmology Limited has really changed with the changing times, but yet really kept the core principles of trying to provide the patients with the best outcome we can possibly achieve. And so even though over the past 50 years there's been a lot of evolution in eye care, the philosophy for us to provide the best care we can has not changed.
Our plans are to continue growing and continue providing the best eye care in the region. We'll continue to expand both at home and also on the road so we can continue to take great care of people even closer to their homes.